right, man, we back at it on our way up to detail sector to get this first wash. It's been 7 days, so now we get to finally wash the car again and get that showroom shine back. He told me not to wash it for 7 days after he put the ceramic coat on there, so that's what I did. And you would think the car would be a lot more dirty than it is now, but it's so hard for anything to stick to this car now that it has a ceramic coat on it. Bird shit, leaves, pollen, everything literally slides off. So stay tuned and check out this first wash.
How's it going? I'm John with Detail Sector, and we did a ceramic coating on this Mustang last week. It's been 7 days, so now it's fully cured and we can do our first maintenance wash on it. We're going to show you how easy it is to clean the paint. It's only been a week, but it's really clean still. So we're going to wash the wheels, just do a wash and a dry. There's no need to put any kind of wax or sealant on it because of the coating. It's permanent protection, so it'll be pretty easy and really fast.
I couldn't find that sponge. Well, I found it, but it's sold out like everywhere.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I was seeing the same thing.
Like they told me it'll be delivered like next month if I order on Amazon today.
On the Optimum website, I can send you the Optimum website possibly.
All right.
It's real simple, just to the point of dripping and no pressure. You're just gonna glide it over the surface. Just like that. Like I said, it all depends on the humidity and the day too, so you'll find it a lot easier to wash it
On a cloudy day.
on a cloudy day, or especially during the winter months. You know, in the winter months, the water is not going to want to evaporate so fast off the paint. And again, use a damp one first. That will also remove any kind of dirt that you missed on the wheels safely. And then you don't have to use any kind of car wax on it or whatever if you don't want to, but
Oh, that's like a wax?
yeah, this is just like a spray wax. It's not going to actually last super long on the wheels, but it just makes it easier to dry it and just gives it a little bit of a gloss. And it has UV protection too.
Wheels get damaged from UV also?
Everything does. So rubber, plastic, chrome, every material. What happens is the light goes into the material and it starts breaking up all the bonds inside of whatever the material is. And it has nothing to do with the chemical. So even a coating is affected by UV over time.
Yeah.
It has nothing to do with the chemical composition of the coating itself. It's just all a matter of physics. You know, the light hits the molecules and they bounce around and do all that kind of fun stuff.
That's a whole nother YouTube channel.
Yep.
Seriously.
Yeah, there's no way to actually stop, UV damage. The only way you have to constantly also replace your UV blockers. So the reason why you coat your car is because the coating itself has a UV protection in it.
Yeah.
Which is a sacrificial layer for the coating's UV blockers. So if your clear coat's UV blockers aren't really getting affected right now while the coating is on it. The coating is taking up all that abuse of the sunlight and the elements and everything like that, preserving your clear coat underneath. The idea with the coating is you put it on all the surfaces, it keeps everything protected, nice and easy to clean. That way later on down the road it still looks awesome, and you can even polish it, you know, later on if, you know, like a couple years down the line, if you want to increase the appearance even more.
Man, we back in the Mustang. My boy John at Detail Sector did his thing again. Car looks great. Like I always say, if you're ever in the St. James, New York area, make sure you check out Detail Sector. He does great work. I highly recommend him. If you like this video, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe. I'm going to be putting up more videos on everything that gets done to this car. Hopefully, now that we got the outside looking good, maybe we can start doing some stuff under the hood. So stay tuned.